We are given the following mechanical drawing. It's casting. It's drawn at a scale of 1:1. We need to draw the front view, the top view, and the right view, and then projection symbol and all that. So let's start with the frameworks here. You see this information here. This is the title, this is the scale. The title is going to be casting. Scale, it's 1:1, it's given. Then projection symbol. So just so then let's measure 4 for the small circle. Then we're going to measure 8 for the big one. And from there, just project the tangent from the top of this circle. Project this line going this way. Just very light. Make this line very light. Very light. Then to finish your symbol on this small circle here, you're gonna join this line and this line like that. Then the big one also, you're gonna join this one and this one. So to finish up, just join like this. Join like this. According to this one, they say the front view is given, it's shown by the arrow. So we're gonna start with the front view there. Let's construct this line. It's 80 millimeters. Let's measure that. We're gonna be 80 and project it down. Then from 80, we're going to measure 15. You see this 15 here? Going to measure it going down. This is 15. Then going to project it this way. And then from this 15, we're going to measure to get this point here. So this point is going to be 25 plus 15. So we're going to measure, that's 25 plus 15, which is 40. So from this point until here, we're going to measure 40. So this space here, you see, this is 15. From here to here, it's 25. It's 25. So that's 40. Then that will give us the beginning or the start of this arc here. So from here you can see that big circle here, we are given the radius of 30 millimeters. So we're going to measure 30 for the beak. It's gonna be radius 30. Then we're gonna start it here, make a mark here, draw a chain line to create the center line. And take your compass, plant it there, 30 millimeters, then you have this arc. Then project your line going up there. Okay. Then highlight your drawing. Don't worry about the space being looking smaller than this one, because this thing is not drawn to scale, so we are drawing to scale here. Don't stress about that. The measurement is correct. So let's get to the small one. The radius, we are given the diameter of 30, so it means that we need to divide this 30 by 2, so giving us the radius of 15. So let's measure 15 there. Then going up there, you can see there's this block here, so you're gonna measure it. The height of that block is 30, so we're going to measure 30 from here going up there. So let's project this line up, measure 30. And then the thickness of this block is 10, so you need to measure 10. Okay, then draw it in. But you can see that there's a circle here. So to get to this circle here, the diameter we're given the diameter of 20. It simply means that from here to here we need to measure. I got this is 30, so it means from here to the center it must be 15. So we're going to measure 15. Then make a mark there. Then it's going to be chain line, long, short, long. Then to represent this circle here is gonna be hidden from this view. So, but then you're going to measure, divide this 20 by 2. So you're going to measure 10 up, 10 down. Since well, you're not gonna be able to see it, it's going to be hidden detail. So 10 up, 10 down, then it's going to be hidden detail. Okay, there's the front view. It's complete. So we need to go to the top view. Let's project up. Yeah. Then let's measure 10 millimeters. Let's measure it up there. Okay, sorry about that. That's 10 millimeters. Then measure 10 millimeters this way, measure another 10 going up. Alright, then this is where our top view is going to start. This is going to be the beginning of our top view. Then you can see that for the top view, the height is going to be this 15 plus 40, which is going to be 55. So going to measure 15. I'm going to measure 15, then let's measure 40. That will give us the total length of the top view. Okay. Remember this 15. This 15 is for this is the thickness of this arc key. So it means that we're going to project. Okay, before let's project this one. Forgot. Project it there. Then that 15 there gonna come to this point here. This 15 is the thickness of this, so it's gonna be the thickness of this. Then you're not gonna be able to see it from the top view, so it means that this point is going to be hidden detail. This here is hidden detail. Then also here it's hidden detail. And then for also this circle here, when you look at the top, for this circle is still gonna be hidden detail as well. And then for this block up here, it's gonna be 40 from here going there, so let's measure 40. And then we already have the thickness there. But then we need to put in the circle. It's going to be hidden detail. So to get the chain line, you need to measure half of 40, which is 20. Then we put in the chain line there. So from there we know that the circle is 20, so you're gonna measure 10 10. Still not gonna be able to see it from the top view, so it's going to be hidden detail. Okay, then from this point take your 45, draw a 45-degree line like that, and then you're going to project all these points to your 45-degree line. And project it down. So project this way as well. Okay, then when I look at this from this side, we're gonna see this part here, which is going to be this one. It's going to be this part. Oh, I need to protect this one. Yes. So it's going to be this part until here. Then we're gonna see this one here, which is this one. But then the circle here, when you look at this circle here is going to be hidden detail here. So it means here it's going to be hidden detail. Even down here, it's hidden detail. Okay, then we're gonna see, we're going to see this block here, which is this block. And we know that the radius of this circle is 10, so you can just measure 10, then draw this circle here. So that's basically how this drawing looks with all the views shown. Thank you.